On September 30th, 2015, at the United Nations, Attorney General Loretta Lynch announced a new worldwide law enforcement initiative, the Strong Cities Network, to be set up in certain American cities. What this actually is the UN Plan for Global Police using the Department of Justice. It's the overriding of American law by the Obama administration in conjunction with the UN without congressional input. What's the initiative all about? Officially, it's to prevent and combat violent extremism in all of its forms without linking it with any particular religion, nationality, or ethnic group. The emphasis is on inclusiveness, collaboration, and non-discrimination. Although it doesn't mention any specific religion, using the language of Obama speak, its goal of building social cohesion and resilience to violent extremism actually means peacekeeping between Muslims and non-Muslims, mostly by making sure that non-Muslims don't complain too loudly about, much less work against, rapidly expanding Muslim populations and the Islamization of their communities, according to Pamela Geller. This is a reasonable interpretation. Instead of building social cohesion, the flood of Islamic refugees and immigrants is destroying social unity in Western nations, yet they're being welcomed by governments despite public outcry. The FBI recently sent out a bulletin to law enforcement warning of attacks against Muslims by militia extremists, even though there's no proof of any imminent attacks. In DHS reports, we've also seen the Obama administration target conservatives, such as Christians, gun owners, and pro-lifers, as dangerous. Who's set to head this worldwide initiative? A Jordanian Muslim, Prince Zayed Ra'ad Al Hussein, the UN's new High Commissioner of Human Rights, of course. The UN is a Sharia-compliant organization. There's been a great deal of movement towards silencing critics of Islam in nations around the world, fueling speculation that this will be used to enforce Islamic blasphemy laws. According to Foreign Policy, in 2013, the Ministers of Justice of the League of Arab States approved an extremely wide-ranging draft blasphemy law that not only aims at criminalizing allegedly blasphemous utterances, but also envisaged extraterritorial jurisdiction, meaning that someone deemed to have blasphemed in the United States or Europe would be liable to prosecution in Arab League member states. The SCN's stated aim is to connect cities and other local authorities on an international basis to enhance local-level approaches by facilitating information sharing and creating new and innovative local practices. The practical effect is to strip authority from local law enforcement as it destroys American sovereignty. Initially, 23 cities will be involved. Constitutional lawyer John Whitehead states that this is an initial step toward a global police force, which is being imposed on us whether we want it or not. This is the continual, non-stop merging of information on every level, heading toward what John McTernan refers to as the 666 surveillance system. He also feels that as America rejects God and Obama turns from Israel, God is sending Islam as a judgment on the nation. For more information, go to facebook.com/John McTernan's Insights.